Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card into your OPPO A76. First of all, let's take a look on the screen. We can see this little icon which tells us there's no SIM card inserted yet. Another way to take a look at the SIM status is if you swipe down and swipe down here, you can see the mobile data you can choose. And of course we have no SIM card inserted. And in the settings we have another point where we can see something about the SIM card and mobile data. This is this point. If we click there, we can see we have two slots for SIM cards. We have a dual SIM mobile phone and both slots are without a SIM card yet. So let's change that. We are going to lock our screen and then we have to take a look on the left side of our phone of our A76, and we can see here this tray where we have to put the SIM cards inside. To open this tray, you have a SIM needle tool in your box, or otherwise, as we do it, we have this bend open paper clip. It fits as well, and we have to put it inside this little hole, and then the tray comes out a little bit and we can grab it and pull it out completely. And then we see two SIM card slots here on the left, and on the right we can see our micro SD slot. So we have to choose one of these, and the left one is SIM 1, the middle one is SIM 2, the right one is for micro SD. So we are going to put our nano SIM card. That's the only type of SIM card which fits inside smartphones today, and we have to put it this way with the contact downwards. So that's the right way to put in the SIM card. If you turn it up, you can see our contact, and you have to put it back this way inside your phone, screen up and contact down, and then you can put the SIM tray back inside your phone. And then let's take a look. We're going to unlock the screen. First of all, we have to enter the pin for our SIM card. So this is 4 times 0 in our case, and as well to unlock the screen we have 4 times 0. And now we can see the first of the two SIM slots. There appears our SIM 1 with our phone number, and I can click on it and have many options and information about my SIM card. The second place is still empty, so if we would have a second SIM card we could put it on the second slot. And yeah, now we can see we have connection, and if I swipe down I can choose mobile data. Actually it's off. If I choose it, it's on, and now I have mobile data. And yeah, that's the way how to insert a SIM card into your OPPO A76. I hope I could help a little bit, and if so, if you like the video, please release a thumb and subscribe to our channel, and then we'll see us next time. Bye!